Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to delete Tabby account on your Android phone. Basically how to delete the Tabby account. So you just launch the Tabby app, come to the bottom right, you click on your profile icon, and then from here I want you to click on this option right here, contact us. And what you need to do, okay, you can also use the email for this. I'll share the email. So to delete your account, you must contact Tabby Support through the app's chat feature, and you request account deletion. Basically tell them you would like to delete your account, and before contacting them, ensure you have no active orders, and you will need to verify your identity to actually complete this process, okay? And you can also use email. So you can email the support team at help@tabby.ai, okay? That is their support email. You can contact them there as well. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.